Oh, baby, where are we today?
Today we are at Bird Paradise.
This installation over here that mimics the natural environment of the northern carmine bee-eater, which is this bird you're seeing over here. Give you a closer look. Okay, so we're feeding the starlings. Okay, there's a hornbill. Though the head looks weird here, never seen a color like this, but it's a hornbill. I'm not sure what is this called, but it's a yellow bird with an eye mask. Sticks, right, actually produces sound. If you stroke them, it produces the sound of the bird. So you stroke them.
This is a 店小二 supplier.
Park is a huge natural area. Then somewhere around it, along these natural areas there are these stop points, air-conditioned stop point for you to take a rest inside. So if you're here with your kids, there's also a water park over here. That's in the concept of eggs. Look at all these eggs.
Okay, there's a chocobo over here. If you know what the chocobo is from Final Fantasy.
So this is the macaw enclosure. There's a lot of macaws here chilling under the trees. Look at all this, man. There's quite a number of it.
Watch this. 1, 2, 3, and you run!
Having lunch here at the Crimson. So we're having lunch at this restaurant called Crimson. This is at Bird Paradise. Relatively expensive, but the food looks decent. My wife has the cheese burrata salad. I'm having the mushroom soup. It's a 3-course meal, so this is the starter. And this place, the unique selling point is that it has a magnificent view. Look at this. So you keep on getting distracted during your lunch because the birds will perch around the trees near the restaurant. So if you saw the duck earlier in the video, this is it now. Not much left of it. Okay, jokes aside, our main course is here. I ordered a duck leg confit and my wife is having this yellow bird chicken. I don't even know what it's called anymore. Or yellow French chicken, I think. So you can see this dessert over here. It's exactly like this bird over there. So are you happy with the dessert?
Thank you. Let's eat it.
Right up there. There you go. Gentlemen, let me share a story about everybody here. Back in 2005, the young human culture was migrating from the Tibetan plateau.
So we're taking the tram right now. The tram actually takes you from the entrance of the park all the way to the lorry loft. So it's more of a shortcut. There's nothing really much to see on the tram ride. Okay, we're feeding the lorry right now, but it's raining. Careful. You look like you will bite. Oh, there's more. Queue up, queue up, queue up, queue up, queue up. Yeah. Hello guys, please queue up. So As you can see, this is the Australia outback section of the bird's paradise. As you can see, there's a shack over here. Looks like the Australia outback, a cowboy town. So this is the underwater section of the penguin cave. Very nice. So behind you is the restaurant, right? So did I tell you not to eat here? Because you won't see any penguins. Yep. There's no penguins over here.